Who's the cookie for?
Mommy?
My neighbor's granddaughter's doing. Yeah. She just started kindergarten too.
Yeah. Tell them about kindergarten.
Yeah, how do you like it?
Good.
Yeah. What kind of things do you do?
Do you sing songs?
The music class,
Mm-hmm.
the art class,
Oh, you have an art class.
we do
I hated doing little kids art.
I like
You have
that
stories?
class when we had
Hopefully.
Yeah.
It's a petri dish. Microbes
Play
and
games,
germs
too?
and colds.
grandpa's videotape.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Why not? And it just about fits.
Yep.
Read.
I want it.
Leave it. She's using it right now.
I want it.
Now you have to wait your turn.
Mommy,
Read.